Good day, sir. My topic is all about life of Green. Full name Thomas Hell Green. That's Life of Green. Green was born on 7 April 1836 at Birkin in the West Riding of Yorkshire, England, where his father was rector. On his paternal side, he was descended from Oliver Cromwell. He was His education was conducted entirely at home until at the age of 14 he entered rugby, where he remained for 5 years. In 1855, he became an undergraduate member of Bullion College, Oxford, and was elected fellow in 1860. He began a life of teaching, mainly philosophical, in the university, first at college tutor, afterward from 1878 until his death was White's professor of moral philosophy. Namatay si Green kay gi blood poisoning siya at the age of 45 on March 26, 1882. Book of Green. Tulor akong gibutang pero daghan gyud ang nabuhat nga libro. Prolegomena at Ethics, kinaunhan. Civil Society, Capitalism and the State, ikaduha. Ang ikatulo is work of Thomas Helkin. Why did he wrote the books? Green wrote his books, including Prolegomena to Ethics, to contribute the development of ethical theory and political philosophy. Gislot ni Green ang iyang mga libro, ang katong kinaunhan nga Prolegomena to the Ethics, aron makatampo sa pagpauswag sa teorya sa pagpabatasan o filosofiya sa politika. Virtue or value. Green concept of personal freedom was not one of being able to do anything desired, but instead of capacity to use reason to align one action with an understanding of the good. Ang value ni Green is ang concept of personal freedom usa gigamit nga konsepto dili para sa kaugalingon kundi para sa masakto ang nabuhat nga dili mao. Ang principle, Green held that the state should foster and protect the social, political, and economic environments in which individual would have the best chance of acting according to their consequences. Green philosophy ay nagprotekta sa political economy sa katawan. O sunod is morality. He believed that moral and political progress in history consists in the gradual and increasingly more educate relation of the value of perfection, the common good, and freedom. Ang morality, ah, ang buot pasabot is siya nagtuo nga ang maayo nga kinayahan sa political maoy makatang makatang sa pagtaas o kalambuan sa komunidad. Ang ethics, green embrace a form of perfectionism that identifies the human good with health, self relation realization and the perfection of our nature as moral persons and agents. Ang embrace siya nagting ang pagka perpekto maoy nagpakita sa pagka mayo o maura to. Thank you. Hindi ako forward. Maura to sir.